So now guys, we will going to talk about pricing your APIs. So how you can just price your API. That is what we will going to cover. Okay, so in the gateway you can just put the gateway information. Basically you do not need to do anything here much, but in the monetize section you can see you have to put the pricing, right? So you can just put the pricing. So make sure you can just put pricing like basic, you can provide something for free, okay, and pro, ultra, mega. So in this tires, pricing tires, you can just give the pricing. Okay, so you can just on the basic, change it to whatever you want. Similarly you can on the pro as well. Okay, and you can just change the pricing and all. From here you can see pricing and all, everything you can do. It's very easy, and just save it up. That's it, right? And one more thing which I want to tell you, if you will just go here, my friends, whenever you keep the pricing, whatever pricing you set here, okay, so make sure that you know about your hosting cost, because you all know that we are using DigitalOcean. So there, just see what is the pricing you have set. Okay, okay, and on that basis keep your pricing. And also make sure that these two factors you shouldn't ignore. Maybe if you are using third-party APIs, so maybe let's say, as we have taught you, okay, in the strategy 3, combining multiple APIs to create our own custom API. So in that case you will going to use other people API, and you will take some features from this API, some feature from this API. So there also you will have to purchase their API, right? So also make sure that you also include this cost, okay, from the third party before you keep or set the pricing here. Okay, and of course your competitor pricing is also very much important. Let's see whatever API you are creating, so just see how much your competitors are charging, what features they are giving. So according to that basis only, make sure you guys just set your pricing. Okay, so this is very much important, and if possible I will going to add some more explanation in the blog. Okay, so maybe when you will going to visit this blog, so at that time if I will going to add it, so you can read that as well. Okay, so to get some extra knowledge, that's it. And this is how you need to make sure that you set the pricing for your APIs.